Hello friends, today I will be discussing about the poem The Lamb by William Blake. So without delaying, let's begin it. This is the original look of the poem in between of the picture by William Blake himself. Today I will be explaining the entire poem very lucidly. The Lamb is a poem by William Blake published under his poem collections Songs and Innocence in the year of 1789, but before the French Revolution. The poem is divided into two parts and it is a work of 20 lines. It also follows a simple and childish rhyming scheme. If we go through the poem once, we can have the idea that there is a continuous one side talking to another. There is a child who is continuously talking and asking questions to the lamb, who is remained silent through the entire poem. As the child doesn't get any answer from the lamb, in the very first stanza, he himself answered those questions in the second or the last part of the poem. So this is the first stanza. I am reading it. Little lamb, who made thee? Dost thou know who made thee? Gave thee life and beat thee feet by the stream and over the mead. Gave thee clothing of delight, softest clothing woolly bright. Gave thee such a tender voice, making all the valleys rejoice. Little lamb, who made thee? Dost thou know who made thee? So the entire stanza contains the child's questions on the lamb about its creator, who gives it life, feeding, delightful clothing, and the beautiful voice. Now let's go to the second stanza, and I am reading it. Little lamb, I will tell thee, little lamb, I will tell thee. He is called by thy name, for he calls himself a lamb. He is meek and he is mild, he became a little child. I a child, and thou a lamb. We are called by his name. Little lamb, God bless thee. Little lamb, God bless thee. As the child who makes questions and doesn't get any answer of his questions in the very first stanza, the child himself answered those questions in the second stanza. He utters the name of God who made the lamb, and here he tries to similarize the God with the lamb, as God is also meek and mild, exactly like the lamb. Then the child also symbolizes God with a child. Thus, both the lamb and the child are symbolized by the God. And here the child utters the line, we are called by his name. Here we refers to both the child and the lamb. And at the end of the poem, the child wishes the lamb, God bless thee, God bless thee. Thank you so much.